Namaste students. In this video we are going to learn to find HCF of given three numbers with an example of 24, 72 and 90. Here is the question. Find the HCF or highest common factor, greatest common factor GCF of 24, 72 and 90 by prime factorization method. Let's begin with finding prime factors. So first we will take this number 24, we will write like this, 24 like this, and we will draw the straight lines. And we know the prime numbers less than 20, those are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So we know that this 24 is a even and a composite number. It is divisible by 2. We wrote 2 at here. After dividing 24 by 2, we will get the quotient as 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4, 0. We get the quotient as 12. Again this 12 is a even and composite number. It is again divisible by first prime, that is 2. We wrote 2 at n here. 12 by 2, we will get the quotient as 6. 6 is again even and composite number. Again it is divisible by 2. We chosen 2 at n here. 6 by 2, we get the quotient as 3. 3 is the prime number. We need to stop. And we got the prime factors of 24 as 2 came 3 times. We wrote 2 3 times at n here. 3 came 1 time. We wrote 3 1 time. Next, they are given a number 72. We took this 72 and we write like this at n here. And after this, once we wrote, we know that this 72 is a even as well as composite number. Again it is divisible by first prime, that is a 2. We chosen 2, we wrote 2 at n here. 72 by 2. After dividing this 72, 2 3s are 3s are, we wrote 6. 7 minus 6, we got the quotient as 1. 1 and 2 forms the number 12. 2 6 are 12, 12 minus 12, 0. We got the quotient as 36. Again 36 is the even and composite number. It is again divisible by 2. Again we chosen 2. 36 by 2, 2 ones are 2. Again we got the remainder as a 1. It forms the number 16. 2 8s are 16. We got the quotient as 18. 18 is again even and composite number. It is divisible by 2. We wrote 2 at here again. 18 by 2, we get the quotient as 9. 9 is odd and composite number. It is not divisible by first prime 2. We left this 2. Next prime number is 3. 9 is divisible by 3. We wrote 3 at here. 9 by 3, we get the quotient as the 3. 3 is the prime number. We need to stop. Hence all the prime factors of 72 equals to 2 came 3 times. 2 we wrote here as a 3 times, and 3 came 2 times. We wrote 3 2 times at here. Next, they are given one more number, that is 90. We need to find prime factors of this 90. Hence we will write this 90 like this and we will draw the straight line. We know that this 90 is the even and it is a composite number. It is divisible by 2. We took 2. 90 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 remainder, 1 and 0, 10. 2 5s are 10. We got quotient as 45. 45 is odd and composite number. It is not divisible by first prime 2. We left this 2. Next prime is 3. We will apply the divisibility test of a 3. 4 plus 5, it is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. Hence we can say that 45 is divisible by 3. We took 3 and we wrote 3 at here. 45 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, we got remainder as 1. 1 and 5 forms the number 15. 3 5s are 15. We got total quotient as 15. Again 15 is a composite and odd number. It's not divisible by 2. It's divisible by 3. We wrote 3 at here. We got quotient as 15. 15 is a odd and composite number. it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. We wrote 3 here. 15 by 3, we got a quotient as 5. 5 is a prime number, we need to stop. Hence prime factors of 90 as 2 came one time, 3 came 2 times, 5 came one time. Next step is we need to underline the common prime factors. 2 is common, we made underline like this, 2, 2 and 2. These 2 and this 2 is not a common factor of factor, therefore we will skip. Even these 2 are also not a common factor, we will skip. This 3 is common at everywhere, we do the underline, but one more 3 is there which is a common factor of 72 and 90 but not a common factor of 24, we will leave. Even this 5 also not a common factor, we will skip. We got common factor as 2 one time, 3 one time. Hence we can say that HCF of 24, 72 and 90 equals to 2 into 3, 6.